Hello everyone, welcome to Software Testing with Dri. Today I'm going to show you how to install Python and PyCharm on Windows 11 system and also set up the environment variables. So let's get started. First open any of your browser and let's close this and start again. So you go to python .org/download/ and then download the latest version of Python. It's downloaded. So now you just open it and click run, and you click on use admin privileges when installing and add python path.exe to path, and then click here and then yes, and finally wait for the installation or this thing to finish. Let's minimize this and open our setup progress. Let it finish. So it will take a couple of minutes or maybe a few minutes only. Just let's yeah, so it's finished. So our Python is installed. Now what we have to do is we have to set up the environment variables. So we open our directory, home directory, and you go on, like, scroll down and click on this PC and right click and go to properties, and then you click on advanced system settings and environment variables. Now you click on below the OS, this window empty, click on this path and click on, like, double click on it, and this window will open where we can edit or add new environment variables. And now we'll set up or write the environment variables for our Python installation. So let's do that. First, let's go to this our Windows C drive and find our installation, which we will find in users, and then the name of your computer, followed by app data. So look for app data, it's here, and then look for local, so it's here, and next you look for programs. So here it is, and then here is our Python, and if you click, this is our Python installed here. So you can either just copy this path with Control C, and or you can just click on this uh, like executable application file, and look for, like, how we can copy the path. So you can copy as a path, and then you go back to our environment variable window and just add this or paste this here. So you see we have our Python install path placed here. Just remove the double quotes and that's it. So that is our new environment variable. Is if you double click on path, you'll see that the path to our installed Python is placed here, and that's it. One Python executable file environment variable is set. Now when you install Python, you have another directory which is called script. So we should also set path to this, and also we should set only path to this window Python 313 as well. So let's do that. So first let's copy the old path that we added and just paste it, and now instead of this python.exe, we just write scripts referring to the directory that we have, and let's put the another slash. Yes, it's done. And now let's add one more path to our this Python 313 directory, and that's it. Okay, so now our Python is completely installed, and our environment variables for Python are set. So now all you have to do is open the command prompt like cmd and hit enter. Now if you write where Python, so you should get the path where your Python is installed. So you see, in my system it is installed in app data local programs Python 313, and this is the executable file. And if you want to see the version of Python, so you can write Python double dash and version. So you see I have Python 3.13.5, and this is my Python is installed here. And if I write just Python, so it will start it will open the command prompt for Python. And if I write print hello team using the print function from Python, so you see hello team is printed. So that means our Python is installed, and now we can exit it. And now since our Python is installed, now we'll start installing our PyCharm. So we'll open jetbrains .com/pycharm/download and hit enter, and then we click on download, and let's keep it. So it is the latest version of PyCharm that we have downloaded. So once it finishes, we'll start further with the installation. It may take maybe a few minutes, or uh, for uh, for you, depending on the speed of your internet. Now you see my Python PyCharm 2025.1.2.exe is downloaded. So double click on this, and it says hit and run. It, so wait and hit yes. So the setup will start for installation. So hit next. And for the destination folder, you can choose your preferred folder, but I'm going with the default. So you hit next, and now click all of these, all these options, whatever, like PyCharm, desktop shortcut, add bin path, and open folder as project, and create associate.py, and hit next. Select JetBrains here, keep the default, and hit install button. And let's wait for this to finish. And once it's done, our installation should be complete, and we'll be ready to use PyCharm. This is about to finish. Let's wait for a few seconds more. I'll pause the video and return back once it completes. So my installation is finished. And now, if you want to reboot after installation, you can click on reboot now. For me, I want to manually reboot later, and just hit finish. And our PyCharm is installed, and as you can see, we have a PyCharm icon on our desktop. So hit double click on it to open it, and you see our PyCharm version 2025.1 is opening, and hit here I confirm and continue. And you see now our Python is installed. PyCharm is installed, and you can start writing your code into it. And that's it. This is in this video I showed you how to install Python and PyCharm on Windows 11 system. And from tomorrow I'm going to start a new series of lectures on Python from basics. Basically focusing on like automation testing using Python Selenium will be focusing, but initial videos will be mainly on uh, Python basics. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. If you find any trouble installing Python or PyCharm, please leave your comments below in the comment section, and I'll try to help you out. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, which is Software Testing with Dri. See you in the next video.